Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum cleaners that will keep your floors clean without lifting a finger. In the left corner, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, and in the right corner, we have the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. First up, let's talk about the price. The iRobot Roomba 692 is priced at $269, while the Lefant M210 Pro comes in at a lower price of $209. So if budget is a concern for you, the Lefant M210 Pro might be the better option. Now let's talk about the cleaning performance. The iRobot Roomba 692 features a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, which efficiently grab dirt from both carpets and hard floors. It also has an edge-sweeping brush to take care of corners and edges. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro comes with upgraded FreeMove Technology 3.0, which allows it to detect obstacles and avoid falling down stairs or getting stuck. It also has powerful 2200 PA suction, perfect for pet owners. Both products offer great cleaning performance, but the Lefant M210 Pro's advanced technology gives it an edge. Moving on to smart features, the iRobot Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules. It can be controlled through the iRobot Home app or voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. It also has adaptive navigation, allowing it to navigate under furniture and along edges. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, offers multiple cleaning modes, including arranged cleaning, random cleaning, spot cleaning, wall cleaning, schedule cleaning, and manual control direction. It can be controlled through the Lefant app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Both products offer convenient smart features, but the choice depends on your preferences. Now, let's talk about battery life. The iRobot Roomba 692 runs for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro has an improved auto-recharging efficiency and can run for up to 120 minutes on a single charge. If you have a larger area to clean, the Lefant M210 Pro might be a better choice. Both products offer great features and performance, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the iRobot Roomba 692 and the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both products offer great features and performance, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Buy Smart.